Alright, boom. So look, this video is gonna be a quick update. It don't look too good, if I'm gonna be completely honest. Looks kind of mad, but that's what it's like on the stock market, fluctuations and whatnot. So what I'm gonna look at is US 30. I'm gonna look at all of my trading, all the instruments in this little trading section here. Just take a look at it, do a quick overview analysis. I'm going to start with US 30. So this is the way I analyze the charts. I'm going to clear the charts so you guys get a clear understanding of what I'm doing. So obviously we had a liquidity sweep down here. Since then, price has been in a clear uptrend, making higher highs and higher lows, higher highs and higher lows, up until this moment here, where we had a market structure shift here. Then we pulled back. We made another market structure shift to the upside. And now, at this current moment in time, price is printing a red candle. So are we going up or are we going down? This is where I would now start to draw in my levels of resistance and my levels of support to see where price could be trading. And it looks like we're trading in a range. So where would we be targeting? If price at the high of the range, I would be expecting a pullback. Where would I be expecting a pullback to be from? I'd be expecting the pullback to be to the low of the range. So this red candle should be confirming a break of this fair value gap at the top of the range, also known as a gap on the range. And this gap should be a premium level of the range, and price should now target the discount level of the range. And when I mention discount, what I really mean essentially is just the low fair value gap of the range. So now we could expect price to bounce from discount to premium, premium to discount, discount to premium, premium, back down to discount. So that's my analysis for US 30. I'm expecting another market structure shift to confirm this one, close below this range, this fair value gap, and price to continue down into the low of the range. That's my first analysis for US 30. Very, very similar on this chart. This is the US 100, also known as the Nasdaq, and we're literally just trading from highs to lows within the range. And where could price target? We could target anywhere within the low of this range. We've got an order block here, so we could target the order block. We could just continue to bounce from premium, discount to premium, premium to discount, discount to premium. It's pretty boring, pretty straightforward, but it does the job. That's what you guys want to see. That's what you guys want to know. Where am I expecting price to go? And it's just up and down. We're in a range. It's going to be choppy. Take a look at gold. So gold's been in a clear uptrend. The last time I spoke about this chart was when price was at this level here, and I said we filled this imbalance. We had an order block here, so it was a bit tougher, but it doesn't matter because price pulled back, bounced off it, and confirmed up move. So at the moment, I'm still expecting price to continue higher. I'm not going to stay too long on gold because I don't really want to. This is also just a clear uptrend. On the DAX, price is just continuing to make higher highs and higher lows. So I don't really want to spend too much time on these charts, but we are making higher highs and higher lows, so price should continue to go higher. If you was going to look for a pullback entry into this market, I would probably recommend you waiting for a pullback into a fair value gap like this one. Or if you're a little more aggressive, look for our chart fair value gap. Place your order right there with wide had enough stops, and then, wait for the market to confirm your entry and ride the trend. Japan's an interesting one. Everything seems to be trading in the range. Some ranges are bigger than others. Japan's range seems to be quite wide, quite small, quite tight, I should say. It's not really a market I would trade, but all your entries should be within the gaps, because those are optimal levels institutions are looking at. So yeah, this is the range that I can see. The range is these two price levels here. So that's what I can see on Japan. I'm still holding this trade, the Hong Kong trade. Lovely trade. Up nearly 1,000 pips, which is pretty nice. So I entered a few weeks ago. They had their lunar holiday, so I couldn't watch price go up on this chart for about a week. But as soon as the markets reopened this week on Monday, we resumed the uptrend, which is really nice. I'm considering holding it past my targets, as I'm expecting a liquidity sweep to be quite aggressive and for price to potentially target this level right here, which is the order block. This level here. So this is my target on this chart. It's not a bad chart at all, but this is my main target. The green level is my main target. This is my secondary target. And we'll see what price does after we hit these levels. I'm also going to look at Bitcoin today. Bear with me one sec. So I obviously spoke earlier in one of my prior videos that I believed that the Bitcoin chart was getting ready to crash. We seem to have quite a lot of absorption going on. What absorption is basically every time the market sells off, you get buyers come straight back in and just buy it back up. So buyers are absorbing all the sell pressure. However, we've just breached this fair value gap right here. So I'm going to want to see what happens after this breach. Are we going to get some aggressive selling? Today's been interesting because all the buyers that came in, sellers actually absorbed it down. So is this a sea change? Are we seeing a change in momentum? Are we seeing sellers actually gather momentum? Are we seeing sellers absorb all the buying that occurs? And is price going to start selling the rally? As we've seen buyers absorb the sellers. But are we beginning to see a sea change where sellers absorb the buyers? Interesting to see. Inauguration top. So I'm still expecting price to target this level down here at the minimum and bounce off this level. The bounce is going to be interesting because then we've got the low of this range. Will support become resistance, and will this be the catalyst for the sell-off? I think so. I think there's a 1 in 5 chance that happens and we start to target lower levels, but I could be wrong. But that's my main outlook for Bitcoin. Is there any other charts I want to take a look at? Not really. I'll be real, not really. Solana's got a nice chart on it at the moment. It's trending down. Targeting these levels down here. So I'm expecting crypto to fall. I'm expecting stocks to fall. I'm expecting the market to, at some point over the next month or two, to crash. So yeah, that's my outlook for all these instruments: US 30, the Nasdaq, gold, and crypto. Hope you enjoyed the video. Let's take note.